Yes, you can begin.
কি বলবো বলুন।
এই জায়গাটা সম্বন্ধে একটু বলুন, পাটুলি জায়গাটা।
Okay, it's quite newer place if you consider the history of this city. It's all it's all, the name of the place is Eastern Metropolitan Bypass. And you will see the massive road and the huge highway over there. And it's basically the newest foundation over here, and it's basically the food walk. What you can mention, the food walk and the street art of Calcutta.
Okay.
And apart from that, those are the parts are considered as the heritage of Bengal. Like
Okay.
You can see the goddess idol of Durga and the Dakshineshwar Kali temple over here. Those are the monuments over here, so that you can see. And Lord Ramakrishna with Ma Sharoda along with the Swami Vivekananda is over here. It's basically formed by the newly formed government of West Bengal. Previous it was only just highway or the bypass way, or as we can say over here.
Okay.
And apart from that, as you go ahead, you will just find a lot of delicious food court over here, and so many shops are also there. And there you can have momos, fry items, and there is a famous shop named the tea shop of the singer, the famous Bengali singer Nachiketa. You just can have and try one sip of tea over here. It's really delicious, and this place was actually became famous for the establishment of that shop only. And later on, it became a street. It became a food walk. As you can mention, as you can see, a lot of people gather over here during the weekend, and that's what. Let's the crowd explore the thing.
And this is the chariot of what, Ramakrishna and Ma
No,
Sarada?
it's nothing related to cultural history of Bengal. It's basically kind of memento. Not memento, monument kind of thing. It's basically nothing but the foundation. Swami Vivekananda is driving the chariot and with the carrying the ideology of Lord Ramakrishna and Ma Sharoda. That's
Wow, that's nice. Very interesting. And this is the tea stall of.
the tea stall of Nachiketa, the famous Bengali singer.
Okay.
The old parents, the old people of Bengal, they very much correlate with him because of his famous songs. He is not a Gen Z or Gen Y singer, but the millennials can correlate with his songs. So anyway, the shop owner actually loved him a lot, and entire shop is dedicated to him only. He will always can be able to hear his songs over here that's being played over here. You just can go and get a sip of tea. It's really awesome.
Wow.
You just can try.
Wow.